everyone, welcome back to Epic Escapes from Chaos. इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप तो सभी करना चाहते हैं बट पहले अपना इंडिया तो अच्छे से देख लो यार. In today's video, we are exploring the stunning Madatira Dam, a hidden gem that's perfect for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Join me as we take a closer look at its breathtaking views and learn more about this beautiful spot. Let's dive in.